This isn't just New Jersey's biggest mall, it's the East Coast's unparalleled king, a true titan. Welcome to the American Dream Mall, the most incredible playground you've ever imagined. Picture this, a place so massive, it's like a city of pure fun. From the wildest rides with your Nickelodeon friends, to a water park for endless splashing, and a snowy mountain you can ski on any day, especially in summer. It's an adventure that never stops. This isn't just any mall. It's a wonderland of thrills, luxury, and mouth-watering treats, stretching across 3 million square feet, with luxury shopping that dazzles and gourmet dining to satisfy every craving. American Dream Mall is where dreams meet reality. Dive into the extraordinary with us. This is Random Topics. Don't forget to click and follow for more.